Today is Tuesday. It is an ABC 17 Storm Track weather alert day. For the cold, we had snow last night, and that's made some roads slick early this morning. Be on the lookout for that, especially roads that haven't had the opportunity to get treated. Those are going to be snow covered, at least partly in some spots here through mid-Missouri. Some folks saw anywhere between a half an inch to an inch over yesterday evening into the late evening hours. And so that's still out there, no doubt. And with that snow on the ground, the bright skies today, the abundant sunshine is going to make it a bright day. Not only will you get that sun from above, but it'll be reflecting off the ground as well with all that snow still lingering. Temperatures will be cold as well. Really, the focus is on the cold. We only get back into the teens today, and while we started below zero, sub-zero, that is a notable improvement, warmer than we've been in a little bit. Still, our wind chills only approaching maybe 2 to 3 below throughout the afternoon. So it's still going to be dangerously cold to be out and about without any protection. Keep that in mind. We'll actually still have an ABC 17 Storm Track weather alert day through Wednesday morning, but Wednesday afternoon, our forecast high in the 30s has us feeling warm enough that we can drop our ABC 17 Storm Track weather alert day coverage. Now, Thursday is interesting because we will have chances for snow in a cold front move through, but it really doesn't settle in that Arctic air again until Friday morning. And so we'll have a little bit of mild time, you could call it, before our next Arctic blast comes in on the 18th of January or Thursday here in a couple of days. So it's only a brief break from this dangerous cold that we're tracking here this morning. Temperatures again, maybe 15 degrees at the best. Sunshine only does so much. Winds from the south will arrive, but too little too late to really warm us much. It does keep temperatures warm overnight. You can see these temperatures above zero, which is a plus. It's an improvement, but it's not enough to have us feeling really much warmer. It's still going to be very cold noticeably as you head out the door Wednesday morning. I don't suspect you'll notice much change until we get midway through the day. By mid-morning, we're warming back into the 20s, and then we're into the 30s, if not 40s for some by Wednesday afternoon. That south wind really doing wonders for us. And then we're pulling in more cloud cover, and that will arrive ahead of our next chance for more precipitation. Again, this big influx of wind from the south is just moving in ahead of our next area of low pressure. That brings a chance for snow for some, maybe as soon as Thursday morning. You see it looks dry on our ABC 17 Storm Track, Future Track, but I've seen some data that suggests we could see snow earlier in the morning. Be prepared for snow by noon, but we will have a better chance likely coming around in the afternoon and evening. We'll have another round of snow here. And that's where right now we're forecasting our best snowfall, and you'll see the likelihood there. Still not great, but there is a chance for an inch or more of snow in this blue territory that's about 30% to 40, maybe in Macon County, closer to 45-50%. Right now, it's not a great chance for accumulating snow, but there is a chance. And as we get closer, we will fine-tune this. But the best chance coming north of Jefferson City, you find yourself in Jefferson City to the Lake of the Ozarks in that less than 30% chance. And so it's not looking great in that direction, but we could see some light snow. And that's what we're tracking for Thursday. We'll have a dry period through the weekend, and then by Monday, we're tracking more chances for precipitation. However, while precipitation next week, 8 to 14 days away, is trending above average, so are temperatures. And so that precipitation may very well fall as rain. There's a lot of here's and there's in the data right now. Could be rain, could be a little wintry mix at onset on Monday. But right now, things are trending towards warmer temperatures next week, and with more precipitation, we could get more meaningful rain in the forecast, something to watch. But for now, we're dealing with dangerous cold with weather alert days Tuesday into Wednesday morning, and then again Friday through Saturday morning.